y'all. We're gonna end the vlog right here. Come on, we're gonna end the vlog. Say, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
I told you if we dance in the blizzard, we are not getting cold. So keep on dancing, baby.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to the vlog. So not sure what you guys have seen because I'm kind of just like recording as I do stuff. Today is when, yeah, get out of my way, you messed up my whole turn in for the park. Anywho, today is Wednesday the 5th. Yes, today's Wednesday the 5th. I just left Walmart because I need to get some stuff, and then I'm about to go into, y'all see my locks? Baby, they just popping. I did my little moisturizer, they look a little shiny. Anywho, let me focus. I'm about to go in Five Below to see if they got some just some workout bands and maybe some little dumbbells and just a little workout stuff, because y'all know I started back working out in December. I started last month, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna go, oh, maybe I should go in Marshall's. I'm gonna go in Marshall's. I was gonna go in Ross because I need some all white shoes for my birthday outfit because my birthday is Friday. I think I'm gonna go to Marshall's. I ain't trying to do too much because, yeah, y'all know how it is when it's that time of the month. So I ain't trying to be doing too much. So yeah, let's go do that. Let's see what they got. Look at them. They think they slick. They got all the little workout stuff out here. Got some mats over there because they know what people doing for the New Year's. That's hilarious. I found these, this little kit that I'm gonna get. It's only $5. And I was gonna get me some foil balloons, but they ain't got the right numbers that I need. So I may end up going to like Party City or Party Galaxy or something to get the bigger ones anyway. They got body scales, and look at Five Below. They got all kind of stuff in here, y'all. I'm gonna get some little dumbbells. Oh, not if they $5 each though. I mean, I should have got that at Walmart. So I may go back there and get that because I ain't paying $5 for just one dumbbell. That's not gonna work. Okay, y'all, can't really record too much in here because they got copyright. But they have a 3-pack looped resistance bands that I'm gonna get, and then they have other different kinds of bands. So yes, y'all, I think I'm gonna get this and I'm gonna get this. And then really for weights, honestly, I can use body weight for the most part until I get more advanced. And then you can still use stuff around the house like cans or, you know, stuff like that. If you don't necessarily have dumbbells, you don't have to have dumbbells, you know. I guess I missed something, y'all. What in the world did Five Below get? So they really brought their horizon, Sunny. They got all kind of stuff. They got incense over here. And then, look at this. Perfume. Makeup and stuff. Like, what? I knew they had stuff, but this is impressive. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all, I'm picking up all kind of crap in here. Y'all know I would get these. Don't play with me, because I don't really care about name brands, but I'm not gonna do it, y'all. But I would, because I just need some all-white shoes. Like, what? Don't play with me now, because name brands for what, okay? Y'all, please tell me to leave this though. Like, they just have everything in here. Like, it's just ridiculous. They got all kinds of stuff in here, y'all. I'm leaving. I'm checking out. It's ridiculous. They started playing my song in there too, y'all. I ended up picking up much more than what I was supposed to. But that's what stores like Five Below do. So now we're gonna go in Marshall, see if we can find me some legit shoes instead of them cheapo shoes I was trying to get, because I'm trying to do better with quality versus quantity, you know? Just because it's cheap, I mean you always need to get it, okay? Okay. Okay, y'all, we are not doing so well in here. They don't really have nothing. Oh, these are Steve Madden's. I don't really like those. Dang, y'all. I don't want to have to go to the mall or anything like that, and I can't order online because it's too late to be trying to do that. They didn't have no... They got these Nautica. I don't really want this. I don't know if I want this style of shoe though. These are some Converse, but no. Y'all, I'm sad because I was hoping I was going to get this done today. Because today is Tuesday. I'm not trying to be running around doing last minute stuff for my birthday. Like, I'm just not. So, oh well. Okay, y'all. So we didn't find nothing in Marshall's. And I don't have the energy to go in Ross. So maybe, oh, that's terrible. I should not be yawning. Maybe I can go to Ross, possibly Burlington's and Academy. Okay, y'all, I don't even know what y'all heard because it stopped recording for some reason. But I didn't find nothing at Marshall, so another day I'm gonna try Ross, and then if not, then Academy or Burlington's or something like that. I'm tired. And then if those don't work out, I can go to the Outlet Mall up the street. So yeah, I'm about to go in the house, honey, because I'm tired. Okay, Five Below and Marshall's was extra anyway. So I will see y'all later. Hey you guys, so my sister got me and my mom these hot cocoa bombs for Christmas. So I am about to do it now. I put it in like the perfect size mug. This is what it was in. I've already took it out and put it in here. So now I got my hot milk. It's almond milk because I don't have regular milk, so hopefully that's fine. But let's see. The child, this cup is hot. Ooh. Ooh. I didn't pour all the milk because it started like really melting. Should I pour more? Oh, look at that. Okay. Let me get a spoon. Oh my gosh. Look at that. If you're watching this, thanks, sister. Oh, this looks delicious. This looks heavenly, y'all. Alright, y'all. It's my hot cocoa bomb. Oh my gosh, y'all. It has like some sort of caramel or something in it too. This is a mug that a client got me. It's so cute and it came in handy. It's so good, y'all. Oh my gosh. So good. So this is the almond milk that I use. I have the vanilla and then I also have the unsweetened for other stuff I'm gonna be using it for. But this is what I use. So I don't know if that's had something to do with like the sweetness of it or the taste or anything. But this is the milk that I use. Throw it up and pour it back. Throw it up and throw it back. Pour it up and throw it back. I said pour it up and throw it back.
Coming to you live from the Beckles fucking house. We fucking live and we fucking drunk. We drunk and we having fucking fun. We fucking drunk. Hey, we having the time of our fucking life. Listen, she telling me I recording it live, right? Alright, fucking listen. I ain't listening to her no. We recording it right, bro. Coming to you live from the Beckles fucking house. Happy fucking birthday to my fucking wife. 23 for life, daddy.
You see? You gotta hold it like that, babe.
23 for fucking life. Happy fucking birthday to my wife.
Thank you.
You see that? Listen, my wife's 23 for fucking life, daddy. 23 for life. We 23, don't mind us saying 27. She fucking drunk. I ain't know what's wrong with her.
Or he's drunk. I don't know. Who's winning? Who's winning? Who's winning? We're winning. We're winning.
Let me tell you, eh? We winning. Eh? Tell him. We fucking winning.
Did he really just snatch this shit?
What?
The girls is winning. We can show y'all this.
Let's go.
Winning.
Let's go. What you doing?
They got 3 cups. We got 5. Winning. Period.
Okay, y'all. We're going to end the vlog right here. Come on. We're going to end the vlog. Say, please like, comment, and subscribe.
Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Ah.